Oh, thank you. Could you put some in?
Yes, ma'am.
Robert, bring my tablet, please. You know what? I haven't seen you before, so you're going to try to do daily and weekly harassment that I get from upstairs. So this thing is turn it up, turn it down, turn it up, turn it down, turn it up, turn it down. Because I've learned that if the police can hear it, then something can be done about it. Yeah, headphones, please. This is their handiwork. It's about 31 today. Above my head. They always do it above my head. See what I need? I need an incident report so I can take it down to the office so they can cuss them out again, and I can go another week with peace and quiet. Because otherwise, I don't get it. The last 4 Mondays in a row, you guys have been out here about the same thing. Every week, it's the same thing. I have to put in 5 to 10 calls a week on this crap alone.
Yes, ma'am.
If it's not the stereo over my head, it's blaring loud TV over my head. I've been just banging up on the floors, which they've been doing all day long, so I knew this was coming.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't need to take, I just, the whole situation, yes, management and everything else. Okay, jump right. Please. And this was some handiwork from some thugs yesterday, which you saw right there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. No, I'll put it back. I can't eat anything right now.
Give me 1 second and I will.
Sure, thank you. What stuff? Thank you, hon. I've never seen him before. Hand me this piece of tape. I can't move this off. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I appreciate it. It's the only thing that carries weight with these people down here, and it'll shut them up for about another week, and then you'll hear from me again.
Yes, ma'am. That's all you gotta have.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Officer Stanton.